I want people to listen to me on YouTube. I want to influence people.
I had some cases of drug abuse and actually I got freaked out from my mind.
I spent 20 years of my life in education, but now I see my education is not useful for me.
Ever since I graduated from engineering, the constant question has always been, when are you going to get married?
As a generation, we feel that we have a million things we want to try, but in this system, we are not able to try those million things.
Because in the end, it's my life and I have to achieve what I want to achieve. Since 2 years, I'm stuck in my life. There's nothing new.
Youth means it's life in making. Youth means an exuberant energy. The problem with the youth is they don't have the necessary clarity nor balance. If you could bring 10% more clarity and balance in their life, this energy would translate into something fantastic. So, as a part of this, we are launching a campaign called Youth and Truth. I'm putting 1 full month of my time traveling across the country and causing a buzz about this among the youth. You will see a very different Sadhguru because I will dress differently, speak differently, do everything differently with them.
We did a survey and we found that a lot of students are under stress. Is there a way where we can be free of this?
The significance of being in a technological institute is not about just getting qualified to get some job somewhere or a passport out of the country. It should become a way of creating life, making life happen better than the way it's happening right now. If you really want to address the issues in the world, this one should never be an issue, isn't it? Please make yourself like this, that you are never the problem, you're always a part of the solution.
Two major problems we all face are identity crisis and self-doubt. What advice can you give us?
Doubt is a very good thing. Only idiots are dead sure of what they're doing. Either you must be an idiot or you must be a fanatic. Otherwise, every moment there's a doubt about everything. It's a good way to live. From the day you are born, your parents, every other adult, the school, everybody is trying to educate you about something that's not worked in their life. Whenever you ask a question for which they have no answer, people get angry. A question is only a tool to dig deeper. A question is a tool to enter new territory.
My message to all the youth, you can ask Sadhguru all kind of questions, about monthly cycles, about sex, drugs, all scandalous questions
They know all those things.
No, they don't.
This is being pitched as Youth and Truth, Unplug with Sadhguru. Ask whatever you want.
Ask whatever you
Nothing
want.
is a taboo.